Hello viewers, my name is still Joseph Gospel. I'm still right here at Eco Atlantic City. As you all know, I am an electrician by profession. I work here at Eco Atlantic City Azuru project since 2017. So I am an electrician for Tower A2, as you can see. I told you I will keep on updating you. There's a problem I want to share with you today about this generator. This is a 350 kVA generator system. So it supplied crane 4 into our A2. So there's a problem we just discovered this morning. So I want you to just go follow me up as I just trace the fault, so we can know what exactly happened to the generator. So let me just tell you, whenever I switch on the generator, it is working very nicely without switching on the main breaker. Without switching on the main breaker, you can just come and let's see the breaker. So without switching on this main breaker, if I on the generator, it will be working effectively. But whenever I switch on the breaker, there will be an explosion from this propeller. Yes, there's a connector box here. Come and see. Yeah, there's a connector box here. There's a connection box here. Electrical connection box. So whenever I switch on the breaker, there's some explosion that come out from this place, just like it's sparking, you know now, electrical. So if I switch it off back, and when the thing spark, it off the generator automatically. But when I switch on the generator without on the breaker, the thing is working very fine. So whenever I switch on like this, there will be a spark from this connector box in this generator. So it's just a trace, it's just a fault. So I want to trace the fault now, so you can just go with me. So if there's anything we need to do, so that will be a later work. But I want you to just, on your own view, as an electrical engineer, you can just tell me the rating that happened after my testing. So let's go with the testing. And that now I'm starting from the incoming mains, that is from the generator, from here to this place. I will read the ohms texting, so we can just, you will hear it from this meter. It will sound, it's just a sound something. Yeah. So let me read. So let's just read the incoming mains now, so I can see what is happening. Just listen to the sound. This is the neutral. This is the neutral here. This is the neutral. I read it to the red phase. You can see the sound. There's a problem. Can you hear the sound? Okay, now let me read the yellow phase also. Another problem. Okay, let me read it to the blue phase now. Okay, let me read the red phase and the yellow phase now. You can see the blue phase and the red phase. You can see. Let me take it to the yellow phase and the blue phase. You can see. You can see. So the outcoming, that is the outgoing mains. Let me read. Let me see. Maybe there will be a sound. As you can see, the red phase and the neutral, no sound. The yellow phase and the neutral, no sound. The red phase, the blue phase and the neutral, no sound. Red and yellow, no sound. Red and blue, no sound. This outgoing mains is okay. Okay, let me tell you. The outgoing mains now is what? It's okay. So the problem is now coming from the connector box, which is the generator. The incoming mains from the generator is one giving us problem now. So is the phase is leaking to themselves. Black phase and red phase is leaking. Red phase and blue phase, everything is now like there's a connection. The conductor itself has melted themselves inside of this connector box in this generator. So that is what make the continuity to sound. But if the thing is not melted together, or anything does not happen to the conductor that make it to melt themselves together, you won't hear any type of sound. I'm reading the continuity testing, the ohms. I'm reading ohms texting. So God bless you. We are still going to, but now you have already known that the fault is from this generator. So that's just what I want to let you to know. God bless you. Show it to me. God bless you. My name still remains Engineer Joseph, still in charge of Eco Atlantic City Azuri site here in Tower A2. God bless you. Just look around the building there. Look around the building. Yeah. Okay. Right, you can see that is Tower A2. That is my own. That is Tower I'm managing. Tower A2. That is where I'm managing electrical engineer there. Electrical engineer, maintenance and electrical installation and maintenance. The one handling there. So you can see, just view around the site. You can see. Okay, that is it. Tower A2 is now in level 32 for your level. So it's going to 33. After 33, you don't finish the level without the structure is almost done. So God bless. Okay, alright fans, thank you for viewing. God bless you and keep on subscribing to this channel. Bye bye. God bless you. Yeah.